Yes, students, please open the extra notes of chapter 2, components of food. Students, you will do 3 points for proteins, carbohydrate, fats, and vitamins and minerals. 3 points for each nutrient. Okay, not more than that. Clear? For example, you can, in the carbohydrate point, in the nutrient carbohydrate, you can cut the fourth one, breakdown of fatty acid and preventing ketosis. Cut it. So there are only 3 points in the carbohydrate. Dietary fiber provide energy needed to work throughout the day. A regulation of blood glucose. So these 3 are sufficient. Okay. Next come to the vitamins and minerals. So in this also you will do first 3. Okay. Protect our body against diseases, protect our eyes, teeth, bones and gums. Essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Clear? Only 3 points. First 3 points you will do for the vitamins and minerals. Okay. And for the roughage you can do any 5. Roughage and water you will do any 5. Clear? If the meaning of cholesterol, about cholesterol you will study in the further class, so you can delete this point or you can cut this point. Okay. So still you have 6 points. You can do any 5. Okay. Cut the point maintains cholesterol and blood sugar. Clear? So
Himani ma'am, make me host please.
yes, ma'am. Now students, please open your book, chapter number 4, page number 27. I have given you a table 4.1. Yes, Avni, you have completed table 4.1?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me the next object?
Ma'am, I have written water.
Water bottle,
Water.
yes. Okay.
Ma'am, it is of steel as well as of plastic.
Yes. So Avni has written water bottle. And next, Ghazal.
Ma'am, I have written chair. It is of wood and plastic.
Okay, very good, bache. Chair, wood and plastic. Okay. And the next, please raise your hand who have completed table 4.2. Table 4.2. Yes, Tanisha Gupta. Leather.
Ma'am, I have written toy, plastic, wood and paper.
नहीं, for leather, which objects are made from leather? Leather से क्या क्या बनता है? कौन सा
Shoes, purses,
Very good. Yes. Shoes, purses, and gloves also, jackets you can mention, bags. Yes, Yashika from plastic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, plastic, water bottle, toys.
Yes.
Ma'am, pencil box.
Yes. You can add many things in the plastic. There are so many things that are made from plastic.
Ma'am, the toys of plastic.
Toys also, it is a form of plastic. You can even observe in your room. What are the things that are made from plastic? Kanishka, observe your room.
Ma'am, chair.
Yes.
Mama phones.
Ma'am, pen.
Ma'am, plastic bag.
Table.
Yes. Now next, coming to the cotton. So can you tell me the objects that are made from cotton?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pillows are also made up of cotton.
Yes, pillows. It is made. Pillows are made from cotton fabrics. Okay, and
Okay,
the
ma'am.
quilts also that are made from.
Ma'am, bed sheets.
Yes, bed sheets. So there are so many examples you can write in the
Clothes.
Yes. So now next.
And
coming-
towel wise.
Yes.
Ma'am, towel.
Towel. Yes.
Soft wise.
Ma'am, soft
Yes.
type.
Ma'am, mattress.
What?
Ma'am, clothes.
Last
Ma'am, mattress.
क्या?
Mattress.
Okay, yes, it is also made from it. So now next coming to the last para, that is below table 4.2. That so what do we find from these tables? So what you have observed from we have done the activity also yesterday. So what you find from the activity part? Yes, Tanishka? Yes, bache?
That different things are made of different materials. Some things are made of one or two materials, or some are made of only one material.
Yes, so there are objects that are even that are made from single material, or there are objects also that are made from the different types of materials. Okay, so now I am reading the para. First, we grouped objects in many different ways. We then found that objects around us are made of different materials. Okay, an object is made of a single material, underline it, and the object could be also made of many materials. Clear that we have done. And then again, one material could be used for making many objects. For example, we have done the example of plastic, cotton, paper. So there are so many things that are made from a leather, plastic, and paper. क्लियर दिस ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ जो वुड से है वो सिर्फ फर्नीचर ही बन रहा है देयर आर सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स फॉर एग्जांपल कैन यू गिव देन एनी अदर एग्जांपल
Ma'am, pencil.
yes pencil any type of show piece is there okay so next is yes
Ma'am, beds. Ma'am, pen stand.
yes very good
Ma'am, door.
you are seeing that the wood is also used in making many objects clear material is the wood and the other things that are made from it are the objects clear so what is the material the substance of which a thing is made clear जिससे कोई ना कोई चीज बनती है okay object the clear difference is clear what do you mean by material and what is object so material is the substance from which a thing is made clear now next coming to the properties of materials so you are getting idea from figure 4.2 please see the figure 4.2 so if I use any cotton cloth or any type of other cloth and then I add water from it from upper side what will happen water will come yes water will come from the downside okay so therefore a specific thing is used for a specific task for example we don't use water cloth for storing water clear so we have to use any tumbler okay so have you ever wondered why a tumbler is not with a piece of cloth that we have already discussed why so because we generally use a tumbler to keep a liquid therefore would it not be silly if we were to make a tumbler out of a cloth okay so therefore we use a tumbler that is made up of glass plastic and metal Okay, so that it can hold the water. Cloth does not hold the water. Water will come outside from that cloth. Clear? So therefore we use the tumbler that is made up of glass, plastic and metal. Clear? And other example is that we don't use paper, the paper like material for cooking. Okay, so we use the steel ones or the silver ones that are available in the market. So if we use paper for cooking, what will happen? If the utensils are made from paper and we are using it for cooking, what will happen? Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, if we use it, it can. First thing is it cannot hold water, and the second thing is that if like we just on the gas stove we put it, but it can be put, it will be burnt.
Yes, so therefore we don't use the materials that are made from paper that for the cooking. Okay, so now next coming to the next para that is given below the figure 4.2, we see then that we choose a particular material to make an object depending upon its properties. Okay, we also not use paper for holding the water. Okay, in that case also water will come outside. Okay, so therefore a specific type of material will do a specific function. Yeah, therefore we use according to it. हमें उसके जैसे जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी जो हमने यूज करना है डिपेंड करता है कि उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज कैसी हैं. Clear? So that are all the properties of material that would be important for their usage. Some important properties are discussed here. So firstly we will discuss about the appearance, how the object looks like. Clear? वो दिख कैसा रहा है हमें, ठीक है? So always you can see paper is different from wood. Okay, paper its appearance is different from the wood. Okay, so wood looks like different from the iron. Iron appears different from the copper or aluminium. So there are the looks of and appearance of the object is different from each other. Clear? As students, त्रिष्का जो है अवनी के जैसे बिल्कुल सेम नहीं दिख रही है, अलग अलग है. So similarly in the case of objects their appearance is also different. Clear? And the next is at the same time there may be some similarities between copper, iron, aluminium that are not in wood. Clear? So iron, copper, aluminium, these are hard. Okay, and we have to apply more force to beat it. But जो wood है अगर हम उस पे force लगाएंगे it will break. Okay, but हमें iron के लिए iron को beat करने के लिए हमें ज्यादा force लगाना पड़ता है as compared to the wood. Wood जल्दी टूटेगा. For example, I am giving just an example. It is wood. Okay, it is iron. So wood will break easily as compared to this iron. Clear? Because it is more hard than the wood. Clear? So next coming to the activity 3. So Manjot, please read the activity 3. Yes.
Collect small pieces of different materials: paper, cardboard, wood, copper wire, aluminium sheet, cloth. Do any of these appear shiny? Separate the shiny materials into a group. Now observe as the teacher cuts each material into 2 pieces and look at the freshly cut surface. Figure 4.3. What do you notice?
Okay.
Does the freshly cut surface?
Yes. So now it is visible to you all. It is visible, Tanishka, or not? Okay, so I would, yes.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
It is visible.
Okay. So I am taking iron, chalk, paper, cardboard, and it is a copper wire. You can see the copper from here. And then wood. So you will tell me from these all which I am also taking a stapler and a compass. So you will tell me that which substances are dull in nature and which have shiny appearance out of these. So I will make a different group for them. Yes, Prisha, which have shiny appearance, choose that.
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am, I have to pin you. Ma'am, it's steel, it's copper wire, and
See?
ma'am,
It is the
Ma'am,
copper
yes.
is not shining. It is dull in nature. थोड़ा सा खराब हुआ है ध्यान से
ma'am, yes, ma'am, कैमरा से वो थोड़ा कम दिख रहा है.
देखो. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, it's dull, and ma'am,
And next, pick the other one.
ma'am, can you tilt your camera in the right side?
These are the objects.
Okay, ma'am. तो ma'am यहाँ पे steel दिख रहा है,
Okay. So
and ma'am,
this is also have a shiny appearance rather than this. Okay. So I have grouped them into two. Okay. These two are the shiny and these all are the dull. So I have made two groups. Clear? Now there are two groups that I have made. Now next, coming to the next para, that now I will cut. I can't cut this piece. Okay, I will do something different for this iron. Okay, so now what can I do? This is the copper wire. So you can see that from this end it is very dark and it is not have any shiny appearance. Clear? So give me 2 minutes. I will cut the plastic from here so you can see. Okay. Okay. So I have cut this wire into from the other side. Okay. This one is darker than this. It has some shiny appearance. It is very dark in color. So if we cut this iron piece from the half also, what will happen? It is very dark from this side. It does not have any shiny appearance. But when I cut it from the center or any other part, what will happen? It gives a shiny appearance. Clear? Because iron is hard, I can't, obviously it is, I am unable to cut this. So I have cut, therefore, मैंने कॉपर वायर यूज किया था कि आपको इसकी शाइनी अपीयरेंस थोड़ी सी जल्दी दिख जाएगी एज कंपेयर टू द आयरन. क्लियर? सो देयर इज अनदर थिंग दैट आई कैन आल्सो डू फॉर द आयरन टू शो यू द शाइनी अपीयरेंस. व्हाट विल आई डू? आई विल यूज अ sandpaper. Clear? So then I rub the sandpaper on this iron. Okay, I am just rubbing. Just observe that what will happen. So you can see it is really dull in nature. So I will use sandpaper. Okay, so you can see there is a shiny appearance on it. जैसे कि पहले ये डार्क था थोड़ा, ये देख ऐसा था ना, मैंने ना फिर sandpaper रब किया इस पे. So you can see now, you can see the difference. So I can use this sandpaper also for showing you the shiny appearance. Now,
Ma'am, why the color is changing?
Hmm?
Ma'am, why the color is changing?
Okay, we will observe it. So what will happen? In the presence of air and water, it get rusted. Okay, so आयरन तो एक्चुअल में वही था, बट जो रिएक्शन हुआ उसमें वाटर और एयर आके लग गया, so its color changed. Clear? It is a metal, it has shiny appearance, but due to the action of air and water on it, it get rusted, जिसको हम बोलते हैं जंग लग जाना. When I rub it with sandpaper, so I have removed the rust. Okay, मैंने rust को remove कर दिया and the inner shiny layer appears. Clear? Okay, so now I will read the para. Now observe the teacher cuts the material into two pieces and look at the freshly cut surface. So that we have to observe in the copper wire. Does the freshly cut surface or some of these material appear shiny? Obviously the copper wire is shinier than the other end. Okay, so do you notice such a shine or luster in other materials also? Can cut them anyway as you can, but I am not able to cut the iron, so I have used, there is another method is also given, as many materials as possible and make a list of those with or without luster. Instead of cutting, what you can do, you can rub the surface of material with sandpaper. Okay, this is sandpaper. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में, रेगमार जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Mama, I have cut the copper wire.
Okay, so you can show.
Mama, I'm showing.
Yes, very good. So it is shiny in nature. जो जैसे कि मेरा देखिए, अब बिल्कुल मेरा वाला जो था बिल्कुल डार्क वाला था, ठीक है, एंड थोड़ा सा आपका शाइनी है इससे भी ज्यादा ना. So now we can cut it also, or we can rub it with sandpaper. Clear? So now next, what will happen? Iron, copper, aluminium, and gold are also examples of metal. Underline it on page number 29. Materials that have luster. Luster, what do you mean by luster? It is shine. जिसकी shine कर रहा है ना, ऐसा shine. So the iron, copper, aluminium, gold are examples of metals. Clear? Iron, but when the reaction, when it react with the, there is action of air and moisture on them, what will happen? It becomes dull. Clear? जैसे कि iron react हो गया था. There is another example also, that is of, you can see it get rusted. It is very shiny in the starting. Now it get rusted. Therefore, there is a black covering on it. You can see its dull nature. Clear? So these metals often lose their shine and appear dull. Why? Please underline the 5th line. Because of the action of air and moisture on them. Clear? And we therefore notice the luster only on the freshly cut surface. When I will cut it, I am able to see the luster of it, luster of that substance or that metal. Clear? You can also observe when you visit an ironsmith or a workshop, there you can see the freshly cutted metal rods. Okay, that will look shiny in nature. Clear? Activity that we have done, it is clear to you all? So we will just give a quick revise to the activity that we have done. So firstly, we have discussed about that we cannot use cloth for storing water. Clear? Because why we can't store? What is the reason? Can you tell me? What is the reason? Raise your hand. But
The water will,
yes.
the water will flow from it.
Yes, Jay Khatri. Yes, बच्चे.
मैम बिकॉज मैम जो क्लोथ है कॉटन का मैम, उसके अंदर मैम अगर उसको जूम करे तो उसके अंदर स्ट्रैंड्स में बहुत ज्यादा स्पेस होती है.
Very good. There is a space जहाँ से वो वाटर क्या है लीक कर जाता है. Okay,
Ma'am, yes.
but it is the space जो जैसे कि हम tumbler that we use for storing water, they are not such spaces. Clear? अगर उसमें hole हो जाए, therefore obviously there will be a leakage. Okay. Clear? If there is any hole in that bottle and mold, the water will leak. Clear? In the same way, cotton has holes. There are spaces in the fibers, in the strands of the cotton cloth. Yes, Argunpreet. Next, in activity 3, what we have done?
And we have collected some dull objects and shiny objects.
Okay. So, if the object is dull in nature, what you can do?
Ma'am,
For
we
example,
can
I am
rub it.
taking an example of iron. Okay, so what are the two methods by which you can see its shiny appearance?
Ma'am, we can use the sandpaper or cut into 2 pieces.
Yes, and then you are able to see the shiny luster. So, why the metals lose their shine after some time? Yes, Sophia. Sophia.
Because
Yes.
mixture of air and water on the metal, so it will dull and dry.
Yes. So there will be the
Matlab-
action. There will be action of air and moisture that is present in our surrounding in our atmosphere. Okay. Due to that, you can see silver ornaments and जो jewelry है, it also get black. Okay, आपने कभी observe किया आपके मम्मा ने कोई ना कोई silver किया जो उसको jeweler को दिया होगा कि then the shine come back again. Yeah, this is the common example that you can see.
मैम वो लेते हैं मैम, फिर वो जब काला हो जाता है मैम, तब वो जो ज्वेलर जो ज्वेलर्स बनाते हैं उनको देते हैं शाइन करने के लिए मैम, वो वापस शाइन हो जाता है.
So there is a different process that is not in your syllabus. So there is a different process to clean that silver. Okay, that you will study in the further class. But if you have any doubt, you can ask.